In front of me is POCO M8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off fast charging. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Battery section available here. Then tap on Charging Options and select Wired Charging Mode. In order to enable fast charging, hit Speed Up. If you want to turn it off, click on Standard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!